Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for June 30th of 2025 is titled NGC 4651, the Umbrella Galaxy. So what do we see here? Well, here we see, in a way, an umbrella, and while I've turned the image sideways to make it a little more visible here, the umbrella now off to your left-hand side is raining stars down on the larger galaxy. So what would happen for it to form something like this? It's actually a smaller galaxy. So we're seeing another galaxy, and that galaxy is being torn apart. And as it does that, you get streams of material, streams of stars that will get stretched out. And the galaxy will get distorted and ripped apart, eventually coalescing into the larger galaxy. So we see this not only in the galaxy we're looking at here, known as NGC 4651, but we see similar tidal streams within our own Milky Way. And this is what larger galaxies do. They have small satellite galaxies, and when those galaxies come in close to the larger galaxy, the tidal forces will rip them apart and shred them. So if they come too close, they will get torn apart. Now, it is not something that happens immediately. It takes a long time. It can take hundreds of millions or even billions of years for that galaxy to eventually be completely dissipated and become part of the larger galaxy. But this is how galaxies grow. So here we have a large structure going out there about the size of the galaxy itself, and that galaxy is about 100,000 or so light years across, probably much like our own Milky Way. And we can see that tidal stream we see stretching off to the left here that is just about as long as the galaxy itself. So we can see how much work is being done here by the larger galaxy as it rips this galaxy apart. Now, could we come back in a few 100 million years? We would see much less. That material that is in the tidal stream would likely move in closer, would rain into that larger galaxy, and in the long run would eventually just become part of it. It would just become part of that galaxy. Now, this is how galaxies have grown over time. As we study the very earliest galaxies, we find that they're very small, not like the large spiral and elliptical galaxies that we're used to seeing in our own neighborhood. And over time, they have collided together. They've collided with larger galaxies and merged together. And they have also cannibalized smaller galaxies, such as we see here today, where one galaxy is in the process of reining in the rest of those parts of the smaller galaxy and bringing them into the larger galaxy. So that was our picture of the day for June 30th of 2025. It was titled NGC 4651, the Umbrella Galaxy. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be I Sky a Dragon. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.